Want to turn off or completely delete your WhatsApp Business AI agent to handle your customers manually? Today, I will show you the exact step-by-step method to disable and permanently remove it in just a few seconds. On this channel, we break down complex AI tools into the simplest step-by-step tutorials because we make learning artificial intelligence easy for everyone. First, open your WhatsApp Business app and tap the Business Tools tab at the bottom. Click on Your AI Agent. Scroll down to the Ways to Control Your AI section and tap on AI Responses. Now, simply click on Disconnect AI at the bottom and select Disconnect and Delete My AI. Select any reason from the quick survey, tap Submit, and your AI agent is permanently deleted. If this quick tutorial helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to Software Master Official right now.